go to 5. Oh, it was a Colley. This definitely was a Colley.
Oh, 100%.
Flushline. Alright, motor. Getting there.
That was definitely a slap-on mod. Everything else.
That's how the old Colleys work.
Did you see that burrito?
Nope, they didn't even wire the new indicator, they just kept the old one.
For the most part original, other than the buttons.
Cab is, I think it's redone.
Honestly, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, look at this freaking leveling.
That door kind of makes me think it's original, it just doesn't look like something new. But you know.
I'm gonna set it up to 2.
I've never seen a Colley.
Listen to this motor, guys. Shh. You can literally hear the belt.
You can hear it like spool down.